Hey guys, this is Katie, and Katie found me on TikTok, and she's a school teacher, and she's been going to the same lady like her whole life. And so she just wanted something a little bit different. And I noticed she had a lot of buildup going on her head. And so of course, guys, you know it. We went to Malibu Sea Crystal Gel, and she always wanted layers too. So I did a haircut, and that is posted already. And you guys can check that out if you want on some previous posts. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip her hair up. It seems to like meet in with the hairline a little bit better this way when I flip it up. And now I'm going to go in and do some deep weaves. I'm doing like her pony lights right here, and that's my dog crying in the background. So I'm just going to do some pony lights here, and I am using Magic's 10 Lift 9, and I whipped that up in my Ping, which is like a blender for hair color, and it's made by Eco Heads, and it's pretty cool. And of course, I put my Olaplex in there so to protect the hair. Now, guys, I've been doing highlighting for a really, really long time. I've been doing hair for 30 years. Can you believe that? 30 years. So I'm just going to go and do some deep weaves and keep it low in this section to build in some interior dimension in her hair instead of like going and putting it back in. So I'm going to use all that depth there. So I'm just going to go in, and I am going to place her money piece in. Now that's how I did foils for years, right up to the skull, guys. That highlight coming right out of your brain hole, you know? So I did that for years, but now I like soften everything up. Even if somebody wants really, really bright highlights, I still go ahead and soften that hair up around the scalp area, just because I don't like that blaring root, because like whose hair grows like that? I don't know. Anyways, softer looks are more in anyways right now. So again, doing the other side of the money piece, I'm doing like a pretty steep diagonal back. So it gives her a lot of boldness at the bottom. And she already had like a previous highlight. It was very well done by her previous stylist, but it was very subtle. This girl lifted fast. I was like, bam, girl. I was pulling stuff. I wasn't even like, I got done. I was pulling stuff out. So I do want to flip the ends up because I do want around her face really, really, really bright. So just going in and doing the triangle section over the dimensional area and just kind of like shadowing that in and feathering it up. And guys, I am short. I'm 5'5" on a good day. And this girl was tall. I had to get on my stool and feather that in. So now I'm just going to go ahead and tip some pieces out. And I'm just going to paint those on and then place my foil under and then just paint some more lightener on and flat wrap it because I don't like, I don't know, crinkling it all up. So I was using my 3D balayage comb because I didn't feel like teasing her hair. And now I'm going in and I'm using Magic's 10 as an acidic gloss. Now, guys, you take your alkalinity and then you add Morph into it and it makes it acidic. It kills the alkalinity so there's no shift to the base. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to comb that lighter color through on the ends, and I comb it really good. And I comb it again when I'm done, and I keep combing it. And guys, I am not that fast. I sped it up for your viewing pleasure. And guys, here it is, the finale. So I gave her that brightness around the face, the dimensional on the interior, different lighting, different positions. As I move, things get cooler, things get warmer. But thanks for watching, guys, and the link is in the bio. Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.